Most Godot tutorials will teach you how to build one mechanic, but they barely show you how to connect these mechanics into an actual game. So in this campaign, this will take us from an empty project to a complete 2D roguelike. It is split into 7 connected quests, a top-down controller, a combat core, enemies and AI, rooms and dungeons, loot and corruption, HUD and meta, and finally the capstone. This is what connects all of these quests together and helps you create the final project. But these are not 7 unrelated tutorials. Every quest continues inside of the same project. We start by building responsive controller with cursor aiming, dashing, and invincibility frames. Then we create reusable combat using health components, hitboxes, hurtboxes. From there, we'll build a readable enemy state machine and rooms that control their own encounters, the door locks, enemies spawn, and once the room is cleared, the route forward opens. Then we turn that dungeon into a roguelike. Enemies will drop loot, upgrades change your build, and every upgrade increases corruption. More corruption makes us stronger, but it also makes the enemy attack more dangerous. Finally, we add the HUD, saving permanent progression, menus, audio, and the complete run loop. We'll start a run, clear some rooms, choose some upgrades, maybe you die, improve, and you try again. The goal is not to finish 7 tutorials. You've already probably done that. That's how you get stuck in tutorial hell. It is to finish one complete project. The complete 2D roguelike campaign is now available on codingquest.io, so go check it out. You can start with the top-down controller quest and try opening lessons for free using the link down below. The demo also only takes about 2 minutes, so if you're curious, go check it out down below. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next time.